Hello players, I want to share with you one of my favorite positional shots. I call it sliding the cue ball down the table. Here we have a 9-ball pattern and we're on the 1-ball. The 1-ball can easily go into this corner, but the 2-ball is way down table here near the cushion. Because of the rest of the balls being in the center of the table, it could be risky to try to use the rails to get to that too. So we're going to slide the cue ball down this opening and get perfect shape on the 2 so we can have nice position for the 3 after. I'm going to show you how I practice this shot in my actual practice session from the other night so that you too can pull off this shot and make it a high percentage situation in your games that you play. So now let's go ahead and take a look at how we pull off that shot. I first want to give you another perspective of the shot you just saw. This shot can be high percentage when practiced. So now let's take a look at my actual practice session. Notice here that I have golf tees set up down table. And if I hit one of the tees like I did there, it just bowls it over and it just rolls right down into position. I like to use the golf tees because it gives me a target. It makes me more precise. I can make an adjustment like I did here, although I didn't get the speed right, although I could probably make that too, but I want to get down there closer. So notice how I just keep putting this 1-ball on the table without marking its location too, by the way. I will stress that what I do in this case, not like on my other exercises where I mark so I can have an apples to apples comparison, I will actually just put the cue ball and the object ball, which is the 1-ball, in position at whatever place that I just deem it to be, and then I make the adjustment as I go ahead and try to shoot the shot and get position. And what do I mean by making the adjustment? Well, what you're going to find when you perform this exercise is even with just a subtle change of angle on that 1-ball, you may have to stun draw it. Some shots, if it's a little thinner, you're going to have to use pure draw, while others you might have to stun draw it. And that's the beauty of this exercise. It really makes you think and makes you have to adjust just slightly in order to get that cue ball to travel down table with what I refer to as a slide shot. I would like to say something else about how we practice. You know, many players would not do this. And these are kind of obscure shots, but they come up quite often, I have found. And if you practice these are going to strengthen your arsenal even that much more. So why not just take a little time to work on them so that you too can become proficient at running out. If you found this position play exercise to be helpful, please share my video as it really helps my channel. Also, hit that thumbs up, and if you want to see another great video, check out this one right here, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.